We are back in Le for the morning and we have ordered some nice English breakfast
Yes.
with some nice mango juice. Everything is like freshly made. And I already eat something before because I was very hungry and we needed to park the bike.
Today we are going to Pangong Lake.
Pangong Lake.
Yes. It's 8:30. We leave by 9. We should
Yes.
reach there by 2, so we'll have the evening to spend there.
And it
We're
is
very excited.
like the biggest lake on this altitude.
At a very high altitude,
Yeah.
and it's beautiful. If it's anywhere close to the pictures, we are in for a treat.
Yes. So yeah, this is a 5-hour ride, and we will see beautiful things. We will pass another like big sector highest
Chang La.
pass, Chang La Pass.
Chang La Pass.
Chimney Monastery. Hi, we are here.
In Chang La,
Yes.
the third highest motorable road. It's a very busy street, by the way.
There's
There's
so
a lot
much-
happening. There's a temple there,
Yeah.
and of course you have the Indian Army base here. So a lot of this is restricted area, but yeah,
Glacier. I think,
glacier there. That's the prettiest spot.
I think this is the like most busy one to do.
Yeah.
Like more taxis.
It's more busier than Kardungla,
Because everybody is going to the Pangong.
Pangong Lake, I guess. Yeah,
Lake, yeah.
yeah.
So yeah.
We just did a quick pit stop, took a couple of photos, and now we are heading to Pangong Lake.
Yes.
Yeah. And the lake below. Yes, nice. Keep your hand in.
stopping to tune in on you guys because
We've just come at a very pretty spot. We are surrounded by hills and mountains. It's amazing.
yeah,
Have a look at this 360.
pretty crazy.
We've just crossed Our pass, what is it called?
Ladakh Pass.
Cut. Okay, we've just crossed. Love, I knew it. Whoa.
Shit! That was amazing! Ah. We made it!
That bandit way.
Yeah! We finally arrived at the Pangong Lake, and this lake is humongous. We drove like for 30 kilometers just to get here, and we found our stay, and we are gonna explore soon. And it's also very excited. It's like the most beautiful place that we ever seen, right? Tea, biscuits. Ooh, nice.
Very cute dining area.
Very, very cute.
Yes.
To get us hot.
We needed it because we're literally shivering.
Yeah.
The water splashed all over our clothes.
Especially you, because you was in the front. This is so cute.
Thank you. Thank you.
En jag vet. Okay.
Link.
This is the room. They're all like the same room. She has like 8. And this is the view. Little bit of the lake. We did like a little beach walk, like right from our guest house, like straight, and we found a really nice spot at the lake. It's really mesmerizing. You cannot capture this on camera. This is truly amazing, and you all should come to this lake. It's beautiful.
carrot, and gobi. This palak.
I'll skip for now because
Okay.
it's fried.